For reading and writing today, we are reading the book Children Make Terrible Pets by Peter Brown and Pets at the White House by Marge Kennedy. So remember, to get to your reading assignment, you press on the link of one of the books. Remember, if your computer does not remember your login, you can go back to your assignment, and here is a reading instructions slide, and it has the login, the username, and the password for BookFlix. When you get here, you can watch the story, Children Make Terrible Pets, and then you can read the book. Pets at the White House. Then you can do puzzlers, like a word match, fact or fiction, and which came first. Those are right here. And you can dive deeper by exploring the web and meeting the creators. So when you're done with that, you're going to click out and go back to your news journal. So then you are writing about what you read. I notice is a great sentence starter for something that you found interesting. So I notice, and then make sure after you're done with your sentence that you put a period at the end. Really remember that if you are using the letter I as a word, you need to make sure it is capital. When you are writing about a question that you had, a great sentence starter is I wonder. And then at the end of that question should be a question mark. Last but not least, you are writing about a connection that you made. And a great sentence starter for that is this book reminds me of. Don't forget your period at the end. When you are done, please log into Imagine Learning for 30 minutes. And then make sure that you do your phonics assignment and practice your reading. I have started to include the Epic Books login information on your reading and writing assignment so that you can log in and use Epic Books if you would like. I would love to see more of you using Epic Books. All right, good luck with your reading.